Alright guys, today I got another upgrade for the Mustang out there. I got myself some $15 Amazon, and today I'll be trying out. So I just want to say this before I really get into the video. This is no sponsored video. Came out my own money, well, kind of Christmas money, but let's get into it. Alright, we open her up and boom, it's a tiny little box. Yes, I'm very sad about that, but first we got the vanity mirror lights. Mustang doesn't have it. I had no idea if it was an option for the Mustang, but on the website or on Amazon, it showed a Mustang, and that's why it shows it. It said Mustang overhaul thing, vanity mirrors. Probably you can get an option with them, but don't have them. Maybe I'll fit some other thing, but ooh, front map lights. Let me think. Don't have those. But here come, wait. Actually, yes, these are the ones, the dome lights. If I like them, I'll have links in the description for them, and if I don't like them, I don't know, I won't have links in the description, but here's license plate lights, which is perfect because my license plate lights are burnt. They're already burnt out, or one of them at least, and other ones. Trunk lights, or trunk light. But yeah, and last but not least, a little clip to help you take out those lights. But there you go, 4 sets of light bulbs there. But let's go ahead and get in the Mustang, and I'll show you. Let's get to the Mustang. Alrighty, let's start out with this dome light here. I don't believe I can. Yeah, I can't turn it off with the knob on the dash. But, and I don't feel like disconnecting the battery. You know why? Because I don't want to. But, using a little clip, let's see how far we can go. I already know the license plate light needs a Phillips screwdriver. Oh, I'll be right back. Let me disconnect the battery, of course. Phillips screwdriver, you can see. There's 2 screws here that I can see of. Oh, 3, probably 4. 1 here, no, 3. Oh, not a simple process though, but there's a little clip on the back of it. The light clip right there, you might want to get that done. I just messed up my camera position, so I'll very apologize about. All right, let's see, this can still do it. Little tabs for this. You want to get this I don't know, reflective crap. Move that off. Get your pick. Sorry about the camera angle if it's bad, but you go pick, get out of the bulb. You can see it's a little bit heat or burning looking. The front map lights seem like pretty cool looking baggy here. They seem decent quality by the looks of it. Doesn't look like they'll burnt out if you look at it funny, but of course get your thing. Of course with these LED ones, you want to get it exactly right. But yeah, I have it like that. I don't know, you guys could put it in any position you want. Trying to right off the bat. Not very, what's the word? Very a tight fit, not a tight fit. They move. You get your little clip, shiny thing, put it in there. Light up. I mean, worst case, I just pop that cover open and adjust them. Alright, going to connect the batteries with you guys, no cuts. I'll get to see what amazing lights look like now. Well, so far the standardized ones lights up. I think that's pretty bright. Oh, yeah, I think it works better. It looks better. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comment section below, but yeah, we'll disconnect the battery again. Let's do the license plate light. All right. All right, I can't get this out, unfortunately, but there's a better way. So you come up into their trunk, a little moisture in here. You can see this yellow socket here and there. You may notice that one, this one's out. There's the bulb. You don't need to take those stupid screws out. Mine won't come out, but here's the bulb. Can't imagine what the other one side looks like since that's burnt out, but we come over here. License plate lights. Yeah, slip that bad boy in there. Maybe. Yep, slip that bad boy in there. Go up in there. Not very fun to reach, but and you want to do the same for that side, but that side was much easier. You guys can see it right here. Right there's the other bulb. Easiest. You just go ahead and grab it and yank it out. See, it's just one of those pull plugs. And I guess next thing I need to buy is shocks. What in the world? That's my trunk light. That's the trunk light of disappointment. See if it's still that bright when I close and open the trunk. Probably not, knowing this Chinese garbage. Surprisingly, that's decent. Not 100% great, but go ahead and check out the license plate light. Much better. Now the cops can pull me over easier. Yes. All right. Sorry about the lighting, but it's the best I could do. All right, to shut off, but yeah, I guess I did pretty well. I mean, at first the trunk was finicky one, but I guess and I don't know. They might be corroded, you know, the terminals might be corroded on there, but yeah, I think it's much brighter in here, but after this, you'll see the before and after night-day comparison between the two and stuff, and yeah, you know what, links in the description on Amazon, links in the description and video, if you guys want to check it out for your Mustang and stuff. Yeah, I think you could do other cars, but I recommend a car with like a Mustang or so, because that's what I found it from. So, if you guys want to check it out, we got I don't know how to pronounce it, I apologize, but once again, it's not a paid promotion. They didn't send me this. I bought it for my own money. I found it, but I recommend it, guys, because it's pretty nice, easy install, and it's a much better it's a big difference, I gotta say. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment down below what you liked about it, and what other videos you guys want to see about this, but I got another video about product review, once again, except that's a Christmas present, but yeah, so I hope I see you guys in the next video, and yeah. Daytime dome light, then we turn on this accessory mode. Alright, here's just the standard dome light in the dark. Turn on these. There we go. Lights up the footwells a bit easier. And trunk light, nighttime. There we go. Hello, trunk light. Yeah. Not Daytime license plate light. That one dead. Yeah, that doesn't light up pretty well. Get further back. No, not well. LED lights daytime. Put that on. LEDs nighttime without and with whatever those are called. License plate lights daytime. License plate LEDs at night. Trunk light daytime. And trunk LED light at night. I think that's pretty nice. Once again, I completely think it's worth getting. This was only $15 without Prime, or $14 with if you would have had it, but I had to pay for shipping because that's the only thing I had. So the order came to $24, which ain't bad. I mean, hopefully those will last a little while. And yeah.